Hey guys, welcome to my crib.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jordan Chrome, and today I'm showing you my crib. Alright, so I want to talk about a few features of the property that I really like. So there's this silver and black chandelier, I would say. I really love the feature. I think it ties into the whole design. It also complements this wall feature over here, which we removed the wallpaper and we decided to get these custom glass cut. I got these cut at this company called Chromen Glass, I believe. They're on Waltham. The price wasn't bad compared to some other companies. So they did this for me. It was custom done. I really liked it, and I decided to do black in between the glasses just because it ties back into, you know, the whole feature that we're working with. So you can check them out if you want. Free publicity, yeah. In the house, you realize that everywhere has blinds. I really like the whole blinds feature. You don't have to put up any curtains, low maintenance in my opinion, and it's just a pretty cool feature. All right, so for this glass, I chose to get the frosted tint just because for privacy purposes, because I do have a tenant living on the half side. So I got this done by a company called Glass. What's their name? Hold on, let me tell you.
A few moments later.
So I got this done by a company called Glass. What's their name? Jesus Christ. Not Tawana. No. So a company called Smart Glass, they came and they did this. They were very professional. Side note, it happens that the guys who work for the company, I actually know them. Well, they know my mom. So funny enough, she was here when they came back the second time. And that's when I found out that, you know, the world is very small. The next feature that I really like in this property is this chandelier right here. I just think it's very sexy, very unique. Don't think you'll see this in many properties. Really love it. I tried to keep things simple yet interesting, I would say, and I also like to receive like value for my money. So I'll talk about some other things that I got value for my money for. So let's go into the kitchen. All right, so it's a typical kitchen. It's a good size, you know, can hold your stove and your fridge and you move around very comfortably. I want to talk about this faucet though. And so this faucet, it has very cool water feature. It has two settings. It has this setting and this one, as well as you can pull it out and like move it around and use it. It's pretty cool. Fun fact, I saw this same faucet being sold for 20 grand, I kid you not. And I got it for $35 on Amazon. Yes, I did. So then we have the washroom. It's a typical washroom, nothing fancy. You have a wash tub over here. I put a little bracket on the wall, new tiles on the floor. Basic, simple, straight to the point, right? All right, so now we're in the bathroom. Typical bathroom, right? It has a nice vanity over there. This faucet, again, your girl loves the value for her money. I got this on Amazon, $32. It's been sold out here for 15 grand. We have a nice little cool light feature here in the ceiling. I really like it. American standard toilet. For the tub now, the tub isn't complete as yet. We had to refinish the tub because I didn't like the state that it was in. And again, this project was based on budget and we didn't want to break the budget. So I chose to have it refinished. So I just need to replace the thing right there. I have new shower head, of course. Amazon, $18. It's very cool. Alright, so welcome to the first bedroom. I really love this room, you guys. I especially love the color that we chose for the wall. I had to go through like a bunch of colors to decide on the color that I really wanted, but at the end of the day, I wanted to keep it simple yet impactful, if you get what I mean. So I love the moldings. I got these from Home and Things, as well as the baseboards. They're also from Home and Things. Again, you have the blinds, of course, and the best part about this room is this really cool wall light fixture that I got from Amazon, of course. So this light feature, it has different modes that you can put it on. So as you see, this is a warmer light. This, of course, is the white light. You can put it at 50% capacity, as well as there's also a great night light for those of us who don't like to sleep in the dark. So for this light, I think I got it for $34 or $33. If you want the links, guys, just let me know. I'll put them in the comment section down below so you can check it out for yourself. Alright, so we're in the second bedroom, which actually is the last bedroom in this section of the house. So this house comes with 3 sections, 2 of which is currently tenanted, and this is the largest part of the house, you know, which is, you know, great. So this cool light feature is another light that I really like. Again, Amazon coming in for the win. This one's a little bit more expensive because I got the bulbs included. So with the bulbs, I think everything came to like $48 or $49, which again is great because I went to Dunn's Electrical and they had like a similar light for like 30 grand, I believe, around 30, 35, 40,000 thereabout. So I'm definitely loving that win. Let's go into the closet. So we're here in the closet. It's a walk-in closet. We have wallpapers on the wall. Of course, we have our baseboards. Didn't do crown molding inside here. This light that is on the wall, you know, I had to buy this light because I broke one of the shades for the one in the bathroom and I could not find a replacement shade. So I didn't want to waste this. I just put it on the wall, if you get what I mean. So it don't have a shade for it, but that's the reason, because I really bought that light for the shade to replace the one that I broke, if you get what I'm saying. You following me? Yeah. So closet, typical basic closet, just has 2 shelves and it has 2 plug-in outlets just in case you want to press in here. Everybody have their preference, right? Yeah. Okay guys, firstly, before we go any further, I want to thank Siobhan McDonald for volunteering to sponsor this video. I'm going to link up his details down below in the comment section, right? So I'm going to check him out for on a videography and a photography needs, okay? Down below, very cool, reasonable price. Yeah, tell him that I want to send you. And then secondly, I want to show you guys the rest of the house. It's not professionally done like this one. I amateurly did it, so you know it's not gonna be that glamorous, but yeah, wanna still get to see the rest of the property. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end of the video if you liked this video or you want to see other contents like this. Tell me your favorite feature in the house that you like in the comment section down below so we can have a conversation, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care.
lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts